bed after all, are we?
Try not to be.
It's like, I don't know.
Try to look down a little bit. Yeah.
Oh, well, that's it, you know, sitting up, burping, all that. So giving her time just to latch on and let her do it at her own pace. And then just give her some time to kind of rest, and then boom, that's it, kind of. So we gotta do that every 3 hours. For the rest of your life. You're gonna be in the room every 3 hours.
Let me tell you something. Even when they're 18, they're still there. They're not done. It's still yours.
Okay, questions?